Hi, students. Good afternoon. This is Manjuna Shivamki. In the last class, we are discussing about the trigonometric identities and proving the statements of the trigonometric ratios. So let's continue that class. That fifth problem. Fifth one. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. So we have to prove that one. Cosec A plus cot A. So question is that cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. So for this one first we want cot A. So it is in the form of cos and sin. So divided by sin, because we will get the cot. Cos plus sin is nothing but cot. So divided by sin A. So it will be cos A minus sin A divided by sin A plus 1 by sin A. At that whole denominator cos A divided by sin A plus sin A divided by sin A minus 1 by sin A. So this will be cos by sin is cot A. This is minus sin and sin will get answered. It will be minus 1 plus 1 by sin A you can write as cosec A. So divided by, this is cos by sin cot A, sin by sin it will be plus 1 minus 1 by sin is cosec A. So the answer is nothing but cosec A plus cot A. So what I done first, I have taken from this cos A divided by sin A to the whole numerator and denominator. So it will get cot A minus 1 plus cosec A divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So we want this one. So for that, one is there. So as we know the identities, that is 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. So in terms of 1, I will write cot A and cosec A. Like this means cot A plus cosec A. So in term of 1, I will write minus 1 in, I will write cosec square A minus cot square A is nothing but 1 only. 1 plus cot square is equal to cosec square A. So in terms of 1, I written cosec square A minus cot square A. Why means it is in the form of cot and cosec A. Like that, divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. So we want this one answer, but for that one you will try to cancel this one and this one. So denominator keep as it is. Next, cot A plus cosec A. If you take cot A plus cosec A minus, this is cosec square A minus cot square A. This A square minus B square, you can write A plus B into A plus B. How means cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A. So cot A plus cosec A as it is. This cosec square A minus cot square A, we can write cosec A plus cot A, cosec A minus cot A. Why means it is A square minus B square. It will be A plus B, A minus B. Then whole divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. So next step, again cot A plus cosec A is there. Cot A plus cosec A is there. So here also cosec A plus cot A is there. So we can take common cot A plus cosec A. So we want cosec A plus cot A, it is there. So we have to do as the problem, the numerator and denominator should be cancelled. So I kept denominator as it is, same only. So next, if you take this one common, cot A plus cosec A, remaining is this will be 1 minus, this will be cosec A plus cot A is already present. So cosec A minus cot A, cosec A minus cot A divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. So it's equal to cot A plus cosec A into 1 minus cosec A. So cot A plus cosec A into 1 minus, this is minus is there, so minus into plus is minus only, so minus cosec A minus into minus is plus, so plus cot A whole divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. So as you see in the numerator and denominator, 1 is there, cosec A is there, minus cosec A is there, cot A is there. So this will be get cancelled, same as it is. So this will be cancelled. So remaining will be cot A plus cosec A. So we got the result. So our means we want in terms of cosec and cot. So we have here cos. To change the cos to cot, you should have to divide by sin. So cos by sin is cot. Again 1 by 1 is there. 1 by sin A. Like that sin A divided by sin A, it will be 1. Like that downside also cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. So as it is coming in terms of cot A and cosec A. So we want cot A and cosec A as the answer. So I will keep as it is. Only I will change the 1. 1 we can write as cosec square A minus cot square A, because in terms of cot A and cosec A only we have to write, because we want answer in the form of cosec A and cot A. So I written 1 plus cot square A in terms of cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. In one jagdali I wrote cosec square minus cot square A. So next step, cot A plus cosec A. This is like A square minus B square. So A square minus B square, you can split it as A plus B, A minus B. So cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A. Then whole divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. So cot A plus cosec A into, common I have taken both, so 1 minus cosec A minus cot A divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Then cot A plus cosec A, and downside also 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. Here also 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. So get cancelled. Remaining is cot A plus cosec A. So it is proved. Next one. Sixth one, they given root of 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A is equal to sec A plus tan A. So root of 1 plus sin A divided by root of 1 minus sin A is equal to sec A plus tan A. So you have to prove that is in terms of sec A plus tan A. So we want in terms of sec A and tan A. When they given in the root, first step you have to rationalize it. Rationalize means root of 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A into same as it is 1 minus sin A you have to multiply. So 1 plus sin A, because negative sign is there, so it converted into plus. Root of 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A. Root of 1 plus sin A divided by root of 1 plus sin A, it will be cancelled. So rationalization, 1 minus sin is there, 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A. So it will be, this is root 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A is 1 plus sin A whole square. Then whole divided by, this is root, this is 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A. It will be a root of 1 minus sin square A. This will be, this is in form of 1 plus sin A whole square, and this is 1 minus sin square A. So this square and square root will be cancelled. It will remain 1 plus sin A. Downside also root of 1 minus sin square A. You know the identity, that is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So in terms of cos square A, if you want to write, means 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A. So this will be 1 plus sin A divided by root and square get cancelled. So remaining is cos A. So we can write this one as 1 by cos A plus sin A divided by cos A. So splitting the terms, 1 plus sin a by cos a, we can write 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. Same result will be same because the same is same. So 1 plus sin a divided by cos a will become. So in terms of split, you can write 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. So 1 by cos a is nothing but sec a and sin by cos a is tan a. So you add the result sec a plus tan a. So for sec a tan a, when there is a root, you first it is like plus or minus. ಆ ಥರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು rationalize ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. rationalize ಅಂದರೆ we have to take this negative sign to positive sign, save the variables 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a. Then root only you have to take. Then you will get this root of 1 plus sin a whole square. Square and square root get cancelled. It will be remaining 1 plus sin a divided by root of 1 minus sin a, 1 plus sin a. It is a plus b, a minus b. It will be a square minus b square. It will be 1 minus sin square a. Then 1 plus sin a, we can write sin square a in terms of cos square a because we want tan a, no? In the answer we want tan a. So convert the sin square into cos square a. So it will be cos square a, 1 plus sin a divided by cos a. So 1 divided by cos a plus sin a by cos a. It will be 1 by cos is sec and sin by cos is tan. It is proved. Then seventh one, sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. So we have to prove that sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. So as you see this one, if you want tan theta means it is formula is sin by cos. So make it as is it possible in sin and cos. So first you take sin common here, sin theta. So it will remain 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So whole divided by cos theta common, cos theta. This will be 2 cos square theta minus 1. So sin theta I taken common in the numerator, so it will be 1 minus 2 sin square theta. This is cos cube theta, so cos theta I taken, remaining is 2 cos square theta minus 1. So I got the tan theta. From this one I got tan theta, but tan theta, only tan theta is there, but it is in 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by 2 cos square theta minus 1. So we have to make this one same, then only we will get the tan theta. So for that one, tan theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta, keep as it is. So downside, what you do, in terms of cos square you can write in terms of sin square, 2 into sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, it is first identity. In that cos square theta means 1 minus sin square theta. So 2 into 1 minus sin square theta minus 1. So this will be tan theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So the downside will be 2 into 1, 2 minus 2 sin square theta minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So tan theta, upside is same, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. This is simplified form in the 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So I get cancelled, this will be tan theta. So it is proved. How means sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. We have to prove that on tan theta. So for that, first you try to make it in terms of tan. For tan we want sin by cos, but here downside both same variable, that is cos theta and cos theta, same trigonometric ratio and side theta and center. So first I have done sin theta common, here cos theta common, it will be giving the answer tan theta. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು this one sin theta common ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ this is remaining 1 minus 2 sin square theta, this one cos theta 2 cos square theta minus 1. So sin theta cos theta I got tan theta, but it is only tan theta. But here is 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 2 cos square theta minus 1. So downside and numerator should be cancelled. Like that we have to change the trigonometric ratio. So I will keep sin square theta as it is. I will change the 2 cos square. So 2 cos square theta is nothing but 1 minus sin square theta minus 1. Then 2 minus 2 sin square theta minus 1. Upside 1 minus 2 sin square theta. This is 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Tan theta into this will be get cancelled. Remaining is tan theta. So only the thing is we have to analyze the problem and find that value in terms of using the trigonometric identities. Then eighth one. Sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. The result is 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So question is that sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So for this one, so we want in terms of tan and cot. It is in the form of sin and cosec. So first you split the in terms of A plus B whole square. Then you will get the sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 sin A into cosec A, because it is 2AB. Like that plus this one as it is same only, cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 into cos A into sec A. So sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A cosec A, like that cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 into cos A into sec A. For this one, see this one from this 2 you can get that sin square A plus cos square A is 1, but cos square A sec square A we don't have the value 1. So we can write this one as in terms of cot, because cos square we have the identity in terms of cot, and sec we are in the term of tan. So this one you will change into tan and this one into cot, and this one here 2 sin A cosec A. So reverse of the trigonometry always will be 1. So sin into cos will be 1, like that cos into sec will be 1, tan into cot will be 1, only when the angle of that A or anything will be same. So sin square A plus sin cos square A, I write one side. Then cosec square A I will write in terms of cot. So 1 plus cot square A plus 2 into 1 sin A into cos sec A. This is reverse side trigonometry, so it will be 1, like that, plus this is over sec square A. I will write in terms of tan square A. We want tan square and cot square, no. So we have the form of sec square A in terms of 1 plus tan square A. Then 2 cos into sec is 2. Therefore sin square A plus cos square A, this is 1 plus 1. This is cot square A. This is plus 2 and this is plus 2 plus tan square A. This will be 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, and 6 plus 1 7. 1 plus cot square A, 1 plus tan square A. So 2 plus 2, so 1 plus 1 is plus 1. So plus 1 plus 2 plus tan square A. So it will be 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So first step, this is the answer only. We got it is easy only. How means sin A plus cosec A, it will be whole square is there. So I will take this one as sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 sin into cosec A. As you know that the reverse of the trigonometry will be always value will be 1. So sin into cosec A is 1 and cos into sec is 1. Like that tan A into cot A is also 1. So first step, sin square A cosec square A plus 2 sin A cosec A. then cos square a plus s square a plus 2 into cos a into sec a. When they given in terms of division, you have to take the sin theta like that in terms of tan theta. But when they given squares directly, you can first substitute, then you can solve the next problem. So this one we can't solve in this method. So sin theta is there, so we can't take sin theta in 1 minus cos square theta. So what I done, sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So I divided by it, whole divided by sin only, sin to the this one, and cos is there. So for cos cube theta I have taken cos theta common. For upside I have taken sin theta. Like that, this is different. So this will be sin square plus cos square a is 1. So 1, then 1 plus cos square is written as 1 plus cos square a. Then 2 into sin is 1. Then 1 sec square a. Sec square a is we can write in terms of tan square a. So that is 1 plus tan square a plus 2 into cos a is 2. So 1 plus 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. So 7 plus tan square a plus cos square a. The ninth one, cosec a minus sin a into sec a minus cos a cosec a minus sin a into sec a minus cos a is equal to 1 by tan a plus cot a. So they given specifically hint to simplify LHS and RHS separately. So you should not prove that one. This one is equal to this one into this one is equal to this one. We have to prove this one separate and this one separate. So cosec a minus sin a into sec a minus cos a. So sin and cos reverse is there, but it is in the negative sign. So you convert this one into sin a. So cosec will be sin, because reverse, 1 by sin a minus sin a into sec a, 1 by cos a minus cos a. So this will be LCM will be sin a. So 1 minus sin square a divided by sin a into 1 minus cos square a divided by cos a. So 1 by cos a, this is LCM is cos a. So here is 1 is there. So here cos a means 1 minus. Here nothing is 1 only. So 1 into cos a. So because cos a is LCM, cos square a. Cos into cos square a. Like that, sin into sin square a divided by cos a into sin a. So one minus sin square, 1 minus cos square. As you know the identity, the sin square is equal to plus sin cos square is equal to 1. Sin square a is equal to sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. This is first identity. So like that, 1 minus sin square a, it will be cos square a. Cos square a divided by, this will be sin a, then multiply by 1 minus cos square a. 1 minus cos square a will remain sin square a. Sin square a divided by cos a. So upside 2 cos is downside 1, and ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡದು sin square a and it's 1. So like that we can cancel this one, 1 is also 1. So it will be remaining cos a into sin a. So cos 1 cancel, so it remains cos 1 sin square 1 sin a cancel, so it will be remain sin a. So this value cosec a minus sin a we got into sec a minus cos a, we got cos a into sin a. That you can do for the second one, 1 by tan A plus cot A. So we got the answer. This one as cos A into sin A. So as you see, tan and cot, it is not in the form of cos and sin. How can we make this one sin and cos? In terms of you can write 1 by sin. Tan A means sin by cos, sin A by cos A. So plus cot is cos A divided by sin A. This will be, if you take cos A and sin A LCM, because cos is there, here sin is there. So LCM will be 1 by, since cos is, it will become sin square A plus cos into cos square A whole divided by cos A into sin A. This will go upside because downside is there. So cos A into sin A divided by sin square A plus cos square A. So cos A into sin A is cos A into sin A only. This sin square A plus cos square A's value is 1. So divided by 1. So answer will be cos A into sin A. Because as you know, the first identity sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So in terms of cos 1 minus sin square A, so I have taken cos square A. 1 minus cos square A, I have taken sin square A. So we got the sin and cos. Then you cancel the sin and cos, you will get cos into sin A. Like that, this is tan is there. So convert it into sin and cos. So it is also cos by sin. Then LCM is cos A into sin A. This is cos A is there, so we have to multiply by sin A. So sin square A. Here sin A is there, we have to multiply by cos A. So cos square A. Sin square A plus cos square A divided by cos A into sin A. This will go upside. Cos A into sin A divided by sin square A plus cos square A. Cos A into sin A is equal to, divided by 1 is equal to cos A into sin A. Last problem. Last problem, 10th one. 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cos square A is equal to 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to tan square A. So they given two equations, 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan of A whole square divided by 1 minus cot A of whole square is equal to tan square A. We have to prove this also tan square A and this also separately tan square A. So for this one, 1 plus tan square A is there. So 1 plus tan square A, you know, in terms of, we want tan square A. So as we know directly, 1 plus tan square A we can write as sec square A. Sec square A divided by 1 plus cot square A is nothing but cosec square, because these are the identities. First identity is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Second is 1 plus tan square A is equal to the sec square A, and 1 plus cot square A is the third one, that is cosec square A. So like that we can write in terms of 1 plus tan square and 1 plus cot square as this. Then we want in tan. So tan is sin by cos, but we have here sec by cosec. So if you know, if you think correctly, you will get that one. ಈ ಸೆಕೆನ ನಾವು cos A ಮಾಡಬಹುದು and cosec ನ sin ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So we will get the in terms of tan. So sec A we can write as cos square A, because reverse of sec is cos and reverse of cosec is sin. Sin square A is equal to tan square. Because sin by cos is tan, so tan square A. So it is proved. So for this one, I proved this one, it is equal to tan square A. How means 1 plus tan square A using identity. So we got this answers. For sec square A, reverse will be cos. So sec upside means downside will be cos. This downside means upside will be reverse that one, sin. sin square by cos square a is equal to tan square a. So this one also like that, 1 minus tan a divided by 1 minus cot a whole square is there. So 1 minus, we have to prove that tan square a. So here sin and cos is not there. So for this one, first you split this one in the formula a minus b whole square. So it will be 1 plus tan square a minus 2 tan a divided by, this is 1 plus cot square a minus 2 cot a. Again we got this one, 1 plus tan square a same is like this only. So simplified, 1 plus tan square a is sec square a minus 2 tan a whole divided by 1 plus cot square is cosec square a minus 2 cot a. Then we want tan square a. So here sec is there. So convert this tan into sin by cos, because we have to cancel this cot because this is only tan. So sec square a we can write as 1 by cos square a, 1 by cos square a, write in terms of sin and cos, because from sin and cos we will get the tan, but we have to cancel this two cot only. So as you simplify, so 1 by cos square a, this is 2 into sin a divided by cos a, this is 1 by sin square a minus 2 cos a sin a. 1 minus sin square a to sin a. So this will be next step. So LCM is cos square is there, cos a is there. So which is greater number of power means 2 is there. So the LCM will be cos square a. So cos square a. So here cos square is nothing, only 1. Then cos a is there. So to make cos square we have to multiply by sin cos a. So 2 sin a cos a. That whole divided by, this is I will write into, this is downside is sin square a, this will be sin square a, upside will come because whole divided is there. Then this one sin square a LCM means it will be 1 minus, this is 2 cos a, we want to make it as sin a into sin a. So here sin a. So as you see this one, this is sin square a, this is sin square a, this is cos square a, and this is 1 minus 2 cos, and this is also 1 minus 2. So these two get cancelled. Sin square by cos square is tan square a. Tan square a. This both will be cancelled because 1 minus 2 sin a into cos a. This is also 1 minus 2 into cos a into sin a. This will be cancelled. Remaining is sin square a by cos square. This y become upside means because it is downside is there, so it will become down. This cos square a becomes downside, and 1 minus tan 2 sin a upside, and this 1 minus 2 cos sin a, it is upside only, downside only. So it is kept as 1 minus 2 cos a into sin a. Then sin by cos is tan square a. So for this one we have to prove tan square a, and for this also it is we have to find value as tan square a. So this completes the trigonometry chapter, but application of trigonometry also is there next topic. So I will continue in the next class. So only you have to write these ideas and you have to